makeup organization video. I am in my guest bathroom because this is where I normally do my makeup. And my makeup, probably like the rest of you, has gotten a bit out of hand, and it's like one of the things that I just barely organize because it's just overwhelming. So I'm gonna attempt to organize it today. So my makeup is currently in this bathroom under one of the counters. Look at this, you guys. I really need to get it together. As you can see, I've acquired quite a few acrylic organizers over the years in attempts to organize this, but this ain't working no more. We gotta do something bigger and better. So I found these acrylic bins made by Caboodles at Ulta. Remember Caboodles? We used to have them all the time when we were preteens, thinking we were doing something with our little lip glosses in there. But this is the ultimate adult Caboodles that I very much so needed. And I just love how those drawers come out amazing. So as you can see, it has 6 compartments. And of course, you know, you got all that space at the bottom. It even has keys, so you can lock it. So yeah, I got 2 of these from Ulta. They were $73 a piece. I'm going to go ahead and organize all of my makeup for real this time. So I got everything down from under the sink and organized by type, you know, bronzer, eyeshadow, etc. That'll make the organization job a little easier for myself, and purging as well. So my sister-in-law got me this limited edition Tarte kit for my birthday last year. As you guys can see, I have barely used the shadows. Like, it's ridiculous. I need to keep my behind out of Ulta, Sephora, and MAC because I have everything that I could possibly need for any look I want to achieve. So this highlighter is actually from a friend of mine's line. It's called Bestie Gang. You guys should really check out her website. I'll leave a link at the bottom. And something I will never do is use my Aaliyah with MAC highlighter when they did a collection. I think it was about 2018. Yeah, I just think it's so beautiful and it has her signature in it. I'm just never using this. Ziploc bag so I can go on ahead and purge, throw away things that I no longer need nor want. So that came in handy and made the process a little easier as well. And we're done, guys. OMG, this looks so much better. If I've learned nothing else during this process of me going through my makeup and actually purging some items that I no longer needed or wanted anymore, is that whenever I'm in a makeup store, when I feel the urge to buy something, I really need to reconsider that because I really don't need anything. I just really love the way this came out. Look at these drawers, the organization. I have my lipsticks, all these lip glosses, and just so much makeup stuff. Like, I'm so happy with it. I know you guys see the swatches on my hand. You know, I was doing that purging. I had to kind of look at lipsticks and lip glosses that I may not have used in a while. Like, hey, do I even like this color anymore? And I was getting rid of stuff. So I'm proud of me for doing that part. And look at under the sink now. It looks totally different, way better. I can actually see what I have. And eventually, guys, I'm gonna just move from this and actually go on ahead and invest in a vanity set. It's about time, and I've been wanting one for a long time. I'm not gonna say need because our needs and our wants are different, but I've definitely been wanting one. Thanks you guys for watching, and please remember to like, follow, and subscribe.